Category stock. SCWM Aqua. SCWM Quan. Defines quant attributes. Category stock. Lime and Quan. Provides LIME quantity attributes. Category stock. SCWM stock. IW01 to SCWM stock. IW04. Manage stock keys based on batch, material, sales orders, and reference documents. Category. Warehouse task. SCWM ORDIM C. Stores confirmed warehouse tasks. Category. Warehouse task. SCWM ORDIM O. Stores open warehouse tasks. Category. Transportation unit. SCWM TUDLV. Manages the assignment of deliveries and HUs to transportation units. Category. Transportation unit. /SCWM/TUDOOR. Assigns transport units to doors. Category. Wave management. /SCWM/WAVEHDR. Manages WAVEHDR data. Category. Wave management. /SCWM/WAVEITM. Stores WAVEITM data. Category. Outbound delivery. SCDL, DB, DLVHO. Handles outbound delivery header data. Category. Outbound delivery. SCDL, DB Proc O. Manages outbound delivery orders. Category. Inbound delivery. SCDL, DB Proc I. Manages inbound delivery header data. Category. References. SCDL, DBREFDOC. Manages reference documents. Category. Handling units. SCWM, HUHDR. Stores. HUHDR data. Category. Handling units. SCWM, GMHUIDENT. Tracks handling units in goods movement logs. Category. Handling units. SCWM, GMHUIDENT. Tracks handling units in goods movement logs. Category. Storage bins. /SCWM/LAGPS. Provides comprehensive information on storage bins. Category. Master data. /SAPAPO/MATKEY. Stores product key data. Category. Physical inventory documents. /lime/PI doctype. Defines document types for physical inventory. Category. Physical inventory documents. LIMEPIDOCIT. Manages physical inventory document items. Category. Route management. SCMB route. Manages routes and transportation zones. Category. Location dot. /S CWM/LO CIW01. Stores location data related to warehouse, transport, and bin management. Category. A PO location. /SAPAPO/LOC. Manages a PO location data. Category. Radio frequency dot. SCWM, TTRNS, CAT. Stores RF transaction data. Communications. T, R, F, C, Q, I, N. Tracks inbound. T, R, F, C, Qs. Category. Communications. EDIDC. Contains control record details. Category. Business partner. A DRC. Tracks address details. Category. Business partner. BUT000. Contains general data for business partners.